Hello students, today we are going to start class 4 subject GK chapter 12 fitness. First, yoga benefits our body beyond exercise. A Sanskrit term yoga literally translates as to unite. Yoga unifies our mind, body and spirit in order to achieve optimum health. Now we will do the exercise. Write any one asana and complete the following. First is migraine can be controlled by, and your answer is Padmasana and Sirasana. And the spelling Padmasana, Padmasana, and Sirasana, Sirasana, Sirasana. Now the question number 2. Liver problems can be decreased by Ardha Matsyendra Asana and Parisasana. And the spelling ARDHAMATSYENDRASANA. And the second spelling I am writing over here. PARIGHASANA. Okay, now next. Arthritis can be reduced by, and the answer is Sisu Asana, and the second one is Adho Mukha Swasana, and the spelling SHISHUASANA, Sishu Asana, and the ADHO Adho Mukha MUKHA SVANA Shiva Chasana. Now the fourth one. Kidney problem can be avoided by Salam and Bhujagan Asana, and the second one is Naukasana, and the spelling SALAMBHUJANGASANA, then NAUKASANA. Now fifth one is diabetes can be controlled by, and the answer is Ardha Matsyendra Asana and Chakrasana, and the spelling ARDHAMATSYENDRASANA, and the second CHAKRASANA. Now thyroid can be reduced by, and the answer is Alasana, and the second one is Matsyasana. The spelling of Halasana Halasana MATSYASAN. Okay, so this work you have to do in your copy. Now turn your page, come to the chapter 13. How smart are you? A lion, a monkey, a giraffe and squirrel are near a very tall coconut tree. They decide to compete to see who is the fastest to get a banana of the tree. Now the question number 1. Question: who do you guess will win? Your answer will reflect your personality. Okay, so lion, you are a roaring buffoon. Monkey, you are the mistaken mischief. Squirrel, you are a nut. Giraffe, you are an elongated error. Now the question number B. This is your homework and you have to give the answer. Now question number B. Find out the answer for the riddles. First, throw away the outside and cook the inside. Then eat the outside and throw away the inside. What is it? And the answer is an ear of corn. Now the second one. In a one-story pink house, there was a pink person, a pink cat, a pink fish, a pink computer, a pink chair, a pink table, a pink telephone, a pink shower. Everything was pink. What colors were the stairs? And the answer is no stairs, since it is a one-story building. Now next, a girl is sitting in a house at night that has no lights on at all. There is no lamp, no candle, nothing. Yet she is reading how? She is blind and reading Braille. Double L-E. Now next. It lives in winter, dies in summer and grows with its roots on top. What is it? And it is icy sand. ICICLE. Now fifth. How can a man go 8 days without sleep? He sleeps at night. Now last. What has the thumb and 4 fingers but it not alive? And the answer is glove. So students, we have completed the chapter 12 and the 13, and this work you have to do in your copy. Sorry students, this work you have to do in your textbook only, and you have to read this all asanas and the name of the asanas. Thank you.